Welcome, my dear teachers. Today I'm going to train you on the Google Classroom, which is an incredible education platform. I am Abdurrahman and I'm computer teacher here at Pakistani Islamia Higher Secondary School. We all teachers have started distance learning education to the students. So to ensure e-learning, we will use Google Classroom for the communication purposes with students. Google Classroom will also is also useful for creating, distributing and grading assignment in a digital format. Google Classroom has some awesome and incredible features and functions abilities. Teachers can use Google Classroom for making announcement to the students, for sending materials, for sending the assignments, for sending their assignments feedbacks, and we can also use as a teacher the Google Classroom for grading. It is totally free and it can also work on iOS and Android platform. So to get Google Classroom, first we have a Gmail address. Gmail account is required. Here I have already taken login. This is my Gmail address, computer teacher HIS. So when you will take login, here we have options. Already I have created the classes. Today I'm going to create a new class, so I will click here and create a class. Okay, for students, if you want to create a class, so first we will click on the plus sign, then I will click on the create class. For example, I'm teaching computer, so I will say that class 9th computer section, for example A, again write computer and 1. They are the options. Subject and room, they are options. Optional, we can provide subject and room information, and if you think that it is not, they are not required, so we can leave it blank. Now click here on the create option, and after few seconds we can see that class 9 computer will be created. Now here is class 9 computers. We have created a class for the class 9th students. Now this class consists of 4 tabs: stream, classwork, people and grades. If stream is like a social site, stream tab is used if you want to make some announcement to the students. For example, here come to the stream or click on the stream options, and here if I want to share something, for example I will say dear students, and if you make announcement, for example I will say welcome to the class, I will teach basics of computer tomorrow. And after writing, you can post your announcement here, and after few minutes I will show that how a student will be added in the Google Classroom. So this post will be visible to the students. I can also attach something. For example, I want to attach something with the text with my announcement, so I can attach here from file YouTube. I can attach YouTube video, I can attach file, I can attach any file from the Google Drive. I can make announcement to all students, but if I want to make announcement to particular students, so I can select option from here. Now go up and click on the classwork. Here it is a very important tab for the teachers and the students. The classwork option provide options and functions for the creating assignments, for sending the materials to the students. Here I will click on the create, and we can see here there are 1 2 3 6 options. Each option has its unique function. Now if I will click on the material option, and I am sending notes, or for example I am sending a PowerPoint presentation to students, so I will say lecture 1 PowerPoint slides, and I can provide description. For example, lecture 1 is about introduction to computer. A short description we can write, and then I will click add. I click on the file, and if my file is in the local drive, I will click here, and yes, for example I want to send this slides. Let's click and upload. Now after uploading, we can post the attached file to the students. We can also send text files, we can also send videos. Now here the file has been attached. I can send to multiple classes from here. Look at here, if I want to send to the multiple classes, so I can select the multiple classes, but now I just want to send to the class 9 computer. We can also send materials to all students or to particular students. We can create a topic. For example, I will create introduction to computer topic, which provide description, useful description to the students, and then I will click on the post. So this material has been sent to the students. Now look at here, and the students can view these material and they can download these materials. If I want to create an assignment, I can also make an assignment and then student to student. For example, I will click here, assignment. Title of assignment is differentiate between computer hardware and software. I can also provide total marks to the assignment. I can provide due date. For example, 20 is the date. I can provide the date, and I can we can use the existing topic. I can attach the assignment if questions. For example, I will click here 8. I will click here, and if my question are in the Word format, for example, let's say PDF format, so I will click here on my PDF file and upload, and then I will send to my students. We can see here that Google Classroom provides an accessible abilities and function to the teachers. Now how to add the students? For this we will click on the people tab and look at here. I am a teacher Abdurrahman Khan. I can also add here a co-teacher. I will type the email. For example, the other teacher is Shu. For example, my other co-teacher ID is Abdurrahman @gmail.com. So I will invite him. Invitation will be sent to the teacher inbox, and when if he accepts the invitation, so the other teacher can join me as a co-teacher here. Now if I want to add my students here, so there are two methods. This one is a unique code of my class. I can share it with my students by WhatsApp or by email, and they can join through this email, sorry, to this code. And if I have my students email, so I can also send an invitation. Click here and send invitation to student. For example, there is any student whose name is Riyaz Khan, riyazkhan@gmail.com. This is my student. For example, Gmail address I can type other my, for example, student email address Shahid Khan @gmail.com. I can type here multiple emails. Now I click invite. Invitation will be has been sent to the students, and when the student accept the invitation, so it will be highlighted. Now it is not highlighted because the students have not accepted the invitation, but once they will accept the invitation, then these two email address will be highlighted. So for today, I think it is enough. Please today, after this video, watching this video, I hope that you can create your classes, you can post important announcement, and you can also add other teachers as a co-teacher and students. In the next video we will discuss the grading system. Thank you so much.